Welcome guys. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your UMIDIGI F2, for the first you have to get application to transfer data. So let's enter the Play Store. Let me just turn on the auto brightness and type here CLONEit in the search pool. Take this up, tap on the install button, and of course do the same on this Android smartphone. Right now we can open this application, grant all the permission, so click allow, avert time, you got it. And right now we have to click sender on this Android phone and receiver on UMIDIGI, click allow, tap search again, and right now they are looking for each other, so we have to wait a little bit. And here we got our Android phone, so click here. And we have 2 ways to connect. Right now we can scan this code, but also we can input the password. So pick your way. I'm going to scan the code, tap allow, grab your phone, put the frame into the QR code. As you can see, it's really fast scanning the code. It's very smooth. Accept the request, and right now if you want to send everything, you have to click on all of these icons and then just tap start. But it's only example, so I'm going for the details, and I will show you how the transfer looks when we send maybe 1 song, or maybe 2, or maybe 3. I take 3, click start, OK. And as you can see, it's finished. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel. See ya.